Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. Today, on your request, I'm finally ready to show you my recipe for homemade Haleem from scratch. I'm using beef today. You can obviously do this with any other meat like lamb or goat. Let me take you to the ingredient first and we're gonna get started. We're gonna need some, this is green, we call this green lentils. Actually you can use a small one, or I don't know, black lentils, red lentils, I don't know how they really call that, but this is what I use for Haleem especially. And some old-fashioned oats, some channa dal, yellow split peas, ginger garlic paste. The spices, I have salt, pepper, turmeric, nutmeg, cardamom, cumin, cloves, and coriander powder. And also for the meat, I'm using a mix with bone and just meat itself. This is what I prefer. You can obviously do this with the feet. So many people like Haleem with the beef feet or anything, but this is I'm using like a shoulder part today, shoulder area. So, but use whatever you prefer. So first thing I'm gonna do is my oat, I'm gonna go soak this just until my dal. I'm gonna boil my dal just about 10-15 minutes. So for now I'm gonna leave this on the side, and then to my bowl of lentils I'm gonna add all my dal, and I'm gonna go wash this. And then I'm gonna put this to boil in a pressure cooker, and this will take, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and then just boil it for until maybe 3-4 whistles in the pressure cooker. If you're doing this in a pot, then I would say 20 minutes to 25 minutes, and just make sure you keep an eye on it. So after the dal boil, and then we will move forward. My dal has been boiled, and this is about 90% cooked. It's not completely, and this is how it is. And I put it back to my bowl so I can use the same pressure cooker to continue cooking my Haleem. So my oil is preheating over here. I'm gonna add my meat. I'm gonna let my meat cook as is for like 2 to 3 minutes, just like that. I'm gonna add my ginger garlic paste and all the spices. And keep stirring it. And now I'm gonna cover my pressure cooker, and then I'm gonna let the meat cook for another 3 to 4 whistles. Okay, I just opened my pressure cooker and my meat looks really gorgeous. I'm gonna switch my meat to this pot, just because this pot is bigger than my pressure cooker. So I'm gonna put all my meat here, and my oat that was soaking is going in as well. Give this a mix, and my heat, I'm gonna turn my heat to high, and I also gonna put my mixed dal. I'm gonna add some water, give this a mix, and cover, and let this cook on high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until completely done. In 15 minutes, I just reduced the heat to low, and I add about in total 2 cups of water. And let's check this out. I want to give it about 5 more minutes. My Haleem is ready, and it took me in total 45 minutes to cook from start to finish. And this is how I like to serve it. I'm gonna add some fried onion just for garnishing. You can add lemon juice if you want, and then I'm gonna add some chopped coriander, and that's it. This is how I like to serve my Haleem. And don't forget some hot sauce, which is it's a must. And I just want to mention that the measurement for anything that I use, or anything when I say cups and tablespoon, so this is what I talk about. It is a measurement tablespoon, teaspoon, a half teaspoon, and the cup's gonna be like half cup, quarter cup, and 1 cup. So this is just an explanation about the measurement, because I got so many questions about 1 cup equal how much. And I would say 1 cup is 240 ml, and then half cup is 120 ml, and then quarter cup is 60 ml. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. I will see you next time with another great recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and bye for now.